Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Smith Corona Silent Super here on the bench. This particular machine is a disaster. Everything was stuck. It was manhandled. It was neglected. It's got rust spots coming through the paint. A bunch of these links were off. The keys still jam up here. A bunch of these were bent. That's bent up here in the guide. But what we're going to look at before I go any further with this, I'm still evaluating it, is the ribbon lift is sticking. I usually don't take videos of this repair because there's so many variables to this. But let's take a look and see what this one is causing this problem on this one. So let me zoom in here a little, because I think it's catching on the back of this plate. Because let's see, so it goes sticking up. You can knock it back down, but when you hit the shift, it goes down. It still sticks on upper or lower case, but that little movement, I think, is the key. So if you look on this particular model, this particular style, it's got a bit of the mechanism is right behind here, and I think it's rubbing on that side. Because it just looks, I can see it from, in-person point of view, I can see it. So I'm actually just going to try shoving this in right here, like that. I just shoved it in on that side, probably too far. But look at that. I was going to say my guess was right, but it's not right all the way yet. So it's still binding here. Let's see where else is binding at. So I think maybe I got this bent a little too far. So I'm going to try to get behind here. Push it back out. Let's stick this in here. Let's see. It still should sit down in here a little further. It's not going all the way down still, I don't think. It is in lowercase or uppercase. Lowercase, it's rubbing here somewhere still. I think it's right here. It's right there. Ah, see? So this little piece was interfering with that, and that little piece down here was interfering with the back of here. Now it's about right. Yeah. Let's try red, make sure it's... Oops. Oh, well, that's my typewriter messing up. Yeah, I think that's it, though. I haven't even cleaned that yet, so I'm pretty sure after it gets cleaned, it's going to work even better. So it bound up here because of this. That finger right here was pushing that guide out. That's what caused that to stick there. Okay. I think that's good enough for now. It's not I'll clean it and attend to it a little more later, but right now that's how you fix that particular ribbon guide. Hang up. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.